Hallo Leute, herzlichen Willkommen bei Learn German. Hope you all are doing well. So, in this video, we are going to learn the German alphabets. So, los geht's. So, let's start with the first alphabet. A, A, B, B, C, C, D, D, A, A, F, F, G, G, ha, ha. Sounds like ha ha ha, but it's ha. E, E, yacht, yacht. Sounds like yacht. That is the ship, but it pronounced as yacht, yacht. Ka, ka, L, L, M, M, N, N, O, O, P, P, Q, Q. So let's revise all the letters until here. A, B, C, D, A, F, G, H, E, yacht, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Well done. We have done the first part. Now comes the second part. So let's pronounce the next alphabet. Air, air. Sounds like air which is around us, but more sounds in German. That is air, air. S, S, T, T, U, U, V, 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 X, X, Upsilon, Upsilon. Let's break it down. Upsilon, Upsilon. And set, set. So let's revise the remaining alphabets. Air, air, S, S, T, T, U, U, V, 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 X, X, Upsilon, Upsilon, set, set. Yes, we are done with the alphabets. Now what we will do is, we'll try one exercise. We will try to spell my name. So, how can we spell my name? Wie buchstabiert man das? Buchstabieren means to spell. So, how to spell this? S, S, N, N, A, A, H, H, A, A, L, L, Snehal. So, das ist alles. Have a look through all the alphabets until you remember them and try to spell your first name and last name in German. Auf Deutsch. Tschüss.